In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily make your Threads profile public. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Threads, then go to your profile, tap at Edit Profile, and that's where we can easily find the private profile option. When it is turned on, it means that your account is currently private. All we have to do in order to make it public is just turn it off and then tap at Done to save the changes. When your account is public, anyone on or off Threads can see, share and interact with your content.